The Larson Electronics IND EVSS 481L UVC V1MS corner mount UV fluorescent fixture provides UVC illumination at a 45-degree angle to the ground, which is ideal for use in elevators. This 40-watt unit features one 4-foot UV fluorescent lamp with shatterproof coating housed in a 304 stainless steel housing. The luminary caters to corner surface mounting, operates on 120 to 277 volts AC, and is equipped with a motion sensor and automatic timer. This 40-watt unit offers 254 nanometers of UVC output at a wavelength of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers. The light emits a flood beam pattern and has an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. A durable PEF coating makes the lamp shatter resistant and provides protection from impacts. Should the bulb break in an emergency, the internal contents and glass will remain trapped inside the unit. This coating adds an extra layer of safety for elevator passengers and maintenance crews. This light is equipped with a 360-degree motion sensor. This light effectively covers 12-foot by 12-foot areas. This UV fluorescent fixture features a digital timer that shuts the unit off after 5 minutes of runtime. This saves energy by preventing the fixture from running continuously after disinfection has taken place. This light features a corner surface mounting system that allows the beam to project at a 45-degree angle towards the ground. Operators may use two L-bracket mounting brackets located in the back. Power connections to the UV unit can be completed via two accessible threaded wiring hubs. To check out our complete selection of UV disinfection and sanitation products, visit Larson Electronics today. Contact us today. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have two benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. These units can be used with all room lights on or off. Any lights present in the room are fine. The carts can even be used in sunlight. Frequently asked questions. How long does the fixture need to operate to kill viruses? A 30-minute exposure time is required for killing viruses. What if I want to disinfect a larger area than the square footage that is listed in the specifications of this product? You can move the product and cover other areas. Each time the unit is moved, the exposure time starts again. What if obstacles are in the way of the UV light while it's disinfecting? You will need to move objects around and disinfect again for another 30 minutes. If the cart does not have a direct line of sight, it will not disinfect. This is a non-ozone UV generating product, so it does not penetrate through solid surfaces and will not reflect and clean the underside of objects or behind objects. If you do not have a direct line of sight from the light, you will need to move it around or move the obstacles to create proper exposure. Do I need to wear protective gear? Yes, UV radiation is not safe for your eyes or skin. Is this product skin safe or eye safe? No. UV radiation is not safe for the eyes or skin. Please read the manual for UV safety requirements.